Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, your Windows license will expire soon in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type slmgr, -rear m. Command completed successfully. Click OK. Type exit from command window. Type services.msc. Click Services. Double-click Windows License Manager service. First stop the service. Change startup type to disabled. Click Apply, OK. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.